Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about Corona Kavach policy. Corona is increasing at a wide range and the hospitalization expenses are also increasing. Not everybody can afford the expenses of hospitalization. So the insurance companies have come up with Corona Kavach policy. Today I am going to talk about my personal favorite insurance company, the New India Assurance Company Limited. Now you will think, why do I need Corona Kavach policy when I already have a Mediclaim policy? I'll tell you why you need Corona Kavach policy even though you have a Mediclaim policy. There is no room rent or ICU, ICCU caping, and the Corona Kavach policy also covers the expenses like gloves, mask, PPE kit, which are not covered in normal Mediclaim policy. So if you do not have Corona Kavach policy, you will require to bear all these expenses which are not covered in a normal Mediclaim policy. So I would recommend you to take a Corona Kavach policy so that you do not need to bear such expenses during such hard times. And the second reason I'll tell you why you need a Corona Kavach policy. The second reason why I would recommend to take Corona Kavach policy is that if you claim for Corona under normal Mediclaim policy and if you utilize the full sum insured amount, then you will not be able to claim for other disease during the balance policy period. Now we'll discuss about who can take this policy. The person who is between the age of 18 to 65 can avail this insurance policy. Children below the age of 25 can be covered if they are financially dependent on their parents. There is no upper age limit for mentally retarded and unmarried daughters. The second question is, can I cover my family members in the policy? Yes, you can cover your family members, which includes you, your spouse, your children, your parents, and your parents-in-laws. It is to be noted that in individual policy, maximum 10 members can be covered, whereas in the floater policy, minimum 2 and maximum 10 members can be covered. The next question is, what does the policy cover? The policy covers unforeseen expenses incurred during treatment of COVID. The next question is pre-acceptance medical checkup required? No, there is no pre-acceptance medical checkup required. The next question is hospitalization always necessary in order to claim? You are required to be hospitalized for at least 24 hours in order to claim. You are required to intimate the TPA within 24 hours of your hospitalization. Home care treatment is also covered under this policy, provided you can claim only up to 15,000. Now the next question is payment available for expenses incurred before and after hospitalization? Yes, the payment incurred 15 days prior to hospitalization is available, and the expenses incurred 30 days after your hospitalization is also payable. The next question is, can I get treated anywhere in India? Yes, you can get treated anywhere in India and claim for your corona treatment. The next question is there a limit to what the company will pay during the hospitalization? Yes, there is a limit to what the company will pay, which is called sum insured. The next question is, what sum insured should I choose? You can choose sum insured which ranges from 50,000 to 5 lakh in the slabs of 50,000. This policy is available in individual as well as floater policy, but I would suggest you to take individual policy so that each and every family members get separate sum insured for claim. Now the next question is, how long is the policy valid? The policy is offered for 3.5 months, which is 105 days, 6.5 months, which is 195 days, and 9.5 months, which is 285 days. The next question is, can the policy be renewed if the current policy expires? No, the policy cannot be renewed if the current policy expires, as this policy is for limited time due to the ongoing pandemic. The next question is, can I make a claim immediately after taking the policy? No. you cannot take the claim immediately after taking the policy, as there is 15 days waiting period from the date you take the policy. The next question is, where is cashless facility available? Cashless facility is available only in network hospitals of TPA. The next question is, what is the procedure to claim for reimbursement? Once you have settled the bills and then you have to submit your documents to the TPA, then the TPA will reimburse. The next question is, will the entire amount of claimed expense be paid? Yes, the entire amount of expense is payable if it is within the sum insured. The next question is, how much we can claim for home care treatment? You can claim for maximum rupees 15,000 up to 14 days per insured. The next question is there any benefit under the Income Tax Act for the premium paid under the policy? Yes, the premium paid is eligible for deduction under taxable income as per section 80D of Income Tax Act. The next question is there a discount under the policy? Yes, the healthcare workers and the females are eligible for 5% of discount on the premium. Loading of 30% is applicable to the persons suffering with any of the comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, lung fibrosis, stroke and circulatory diseases, HIV, cancer and autoimmune diseases. You can also opt for optional cover for hospital cash by paying 15% of loading on premium. It is better that we stay safe and follow the guidelines of the government so that we can help our country to come out of this pandemic. If you like the information given by me, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.